I live in the Trout Lake neighborhood. I've lived there for a number of years, approximately 15. And over that time, I've had a number of dogs and have used the dog park frequently. Currently, I have a dog by the name of Rashima, who is a cross, who loves to run and play with other dogs because that's the best time. And my friends also turn up at that time with their dogs. I've also felt very safe attending the Trout Lake Park. In some instances, especially as a woman, you don't feel like walking late at night. And now with the weather changing and with all the rain and the darkness coming in because of the winter, you want to be safe when you walk in the park. And I always feel quite confident walking through Trout Lake. I have a couple of nieces. They're 10 now, but previous to, when they were 6 and 7, they used to love to go to the park and play, either run through the water by the beach or in the summer, of course, and then play at the swing sets. And they really enjoyed that. But even now, when they come over, now they're a little bit older, they still want to go to the park. They always ask to go there, and it's just to see if there's any wildlife. It is an escape because it's you can walk by the lake, see the water. There's always a few flowers blooming and trees blooming, and you can see other people walking, and it's just pleasant, especially on a sunny day. But even in the middle of winter when it's raining, it's very pleasant. There are fewer people, of course, but it's still very pleasant. Near a body of water in a beautiful setting as a park is most calming and most refreshing, especially because it's so close to such large urban areas. So it's lovely to be somewhere where you feel that you're near nature. So living near Trout Lake is a real bonus to your life and your quality of life.